G'day guys, Aussie Tool Guy, and we are looking at the FLEXVOLT 54 volt brushless dual handle paddle mixer. This is from DeWalt. It's model DCD240N, so that means it is the bare tool unit. Comes with the 3-year warranty, user manual, and also we've got the mixing wand as well. Now this is designed for all you concreters, renderers and plasterers that need to mix up your mud products. This thing has got the dual handle, so this thing's really well weighted at 5 kilos to sit over your bucket. You'll have great control and it'll really help deliver a really consistent mix. So let's have a look at some of the features. We've got housing at the back that fits the FLEXVOLT batteries, so they fit in as such. And this thing flips over. It's dust and moisture proof, so yeah, hosing this thing down at the end of the day, it's not going to penetrate that and wreck the connection of the battery or ruin the battery itself. Lift the lid, we've got the speeds, so we've got settings 1 to 5, so that's 225 RPM right up to 725 on speed 5. It does have the variable speed dial on the side as such, so you can move that up and down depending on what kind of mix you are doing and the application of work you're doing. So dual handles, great control, 5 kilos, this thing's perfect. Okay, so your mixing wand simply winds in. It's got an M14 thread that winds on like such. You tighten this thing up and you're way to go. There you go guys, as you can hear, the top speed of 5 right down to 1. You can really dial this into the type of application you are using or mud you are mixing, so it really suits a variety of different trades. Fantastic. From DeWalt. Make sure to check this thing out at Trade Tools or online. This is Aussie Tool Guy with another overview of tools of the trade.